Welcome coders to my MERN app with TypeScript Docker RTKquery. For a long time I am not providing any video for my business. Sorry for that. I am giving video today. So we will go for the yesterday. We in the previous video we have created up to that place. Now it's time to create the registration user. So for registering user and for authentication, we'll use HTTP only cookie. So HTTP only cookie is very powerful and far more better than local storage cookie or local storage session. It is very powerful and it's persistent. So when you will work on React.js, I mean front end, so if you don't use HTTP only cookie, you have to, for persisting you, for the purpose of persisting your cookie or token, you have to do it manually. But in HTTP only cookie, this is built in and it sends token data built in. I will show you, no worries, but and I have the code and you will get the code. So for registration, I am taking register, login and get user profile. I'm taking everything from here. I'm moving everything, so you'll get a lot of errors, no worries. Async handler, we need async handlers. Express async handlers. Okay, so I'm taking it first. If you don't understand the code, I will let you know. And we need express async handler, cd server. Okay, npm install express async handler. So we have the error handling, but even though I am using async handler and I think it's the types, no, so I am taking request from express, response from express. We need user. What's the database name? Don't you have the, oh, you have not the model. We have not created the model. Okay, so there is the model over here, so we need to create the model. Okay, no worries. We have the code over here. I am creating the models, so I am creating user models. So this is user model, and inside source I am creating models, and inside models we need user.ts, user.ts. So this is user model. There is a phone number. We need phone number also. So go to controller, user controller, and bring the model from here. This is model, and generate token. We need generate token. So generate token will come from utils generate token. Okay, so source utils utils, and we need generate token. So generate token token.ts utils generate token.ts, and it will create the generate. You see, this is the HTTP only cookie, so you will get a lot of benefits. I'm showing you HTTP only cookies benefits afterwards, after making everything. We don't have the JSON web token, so I am bringing JSON web token, npm install JSON web token. So if you don't understand the code, no worries, let me know in the comment box, then I will make you understand everything. Okay, still now error is showing, so we need types definition. So JSON web token, and you see it will generate token, and inside the env file we need jwt secret. Let's go. So give some random. Okay, so JSON web token, and now bring the JSON web token from utils. So everything is clear. And compare, we need compare password. Compare password will come from middleware what? Protect compare password. Okay. So from where the compare password will come? Generate token compare password. User compare password. Compare password login user. So from where it is getting await user compare password. So maybe they are using this. Go to the models. They are using compare password here. Yeah, they are using compare password over here. So we can use it also. Excuse me, in the model. This is modified password. Then we need to use this model other than, okay, I'm using this model instead of ours. So we are using this model. Extra field is photo. So I'm removing this. Bcrypt.js, we need Bcrypt.js. npm install Bcrypt.js. And we need types, no, Bcrypt.js. And go to user controller. We are removing user. So user models and auth request. So from where they are getting the auth request? Auth request for middleware what? Do you have middleware what? Do you have middleware auth? We have no middleware auth, so we should bring the middleware auth. So this is protect, so we need auth. Middleware auth .ts. So if you don't understand the code, let me know in the comment box. So auth request, okay. So there is no problem right now, and we will try by Postman. So basically this is very simple, and even though I am letting you know this is register, okay, try first through the Postman, and I am coming back here to make you understand. So npm start and npm run was, as it is TypeScript project, npm run was. So if it fails to proper error handling, we will do it, no worries. Okay, let's go. So go to the server. Our app is running in 8000. Okay. And API beyond users register. API beyond users register. So I should bring register. Register should come from controller. Register user. Register user. Okay. So go to the Postman, and I am registering user. Register user, that will be same. So I am creating new. This is register, but I think it is API beyond users. API beyond users. API beyond users. API beyond users register. So this is post. Username, email, password, and we need phone number also. Models, we need phone. What is phone number's type? It is number or string. Let's see. Phone number, address, photo, role is bent. We need is bent and phone number also. Phone string. So phone number is string. Phone is required. Phone number is string. Required true. Okay, and phone is not. I need comma over here. Still now it's error. Object especially, and phone does not exist. Type iUser. In the iUser it has no phone, so we need to add phone string. Okay, so TypeScript is happy, and we need isBent. So isBent is boolean, so we need isBent. And it will give definitely error because isBent is not here. So isBent boolean. So TypeScript is happy, everything is happy. So TypeScript is happy, everything is happy, and I think it will work. So this is post request. My server is running. It is inside 8000. So let's create first user. So name, Shakil, email, Shakil, gmail.com, password, and phone. Phone, say 0176823. So I have 23. Okay. I hope everything is all right. JSON. Let's see. Hope for the best. Internal server error. Validation user validation failed. Path phone is required. Yeah, we give phone, but phone is required. Phone. We have the phone, even though it is saying phone is required. Let's go here. And name phone. We need to phone. Oh, it should be username. Or what is the error? Phone is required. Username path. Username is required. Oh, we need not name. It's username. Username and phone. So password phone. So it will save the phone also. Okay. So I hope this time it will work. Let's see. Yeah, boom, we are successful. So we are getting our user Shakil, and password is hashed. We have the phone number and everything. Is bent false. we have the role user. By default role is user. And let's go to the MongoDB or database name. Go to the MongoDB first. So MongoDB takes a lot of time to load. Cluster, and by this time see the password. Where is the password in our env file? Sorry, database name. Database name is MERN Docker React-19. MERN Docker React-19. So MERN Docker React-19. MERN Docker React-19. MERN Docker React-19. MERN Docker React. This is MERN Docker React-19. So we are getting the user. So boom, we are successful. Okay, so is band false. We are getting our phone number and everything, and it's done. And not only that, we will get token in the cookie. We will get JWT. You see, yes, only. And if you decode JSON web token decode. So you will get this number. I am taking a screenshot. My number will be same. So go to MongoDB database and you see this number 07C 67F6 67F6 F4 FCE. This number is same. Okay, so we are successful by creating the, and we are getting the token. From the token we are asserting that it's successfully, this is our exact user. Okay, so I'm creating another user, say John. So its number is say 24. Okay, so definitely we'll get another user. So we are getting John. So if I try to same user already exists. So validation is working also. So user already exists. Okay, so no problem. But let's come to the code. So what is happening? So in the, we are sending request body, I mean John, and email address, password, and we are receiving by the request body. So you can console log the request body, console.log request.body and request.body. So you will get it. So let's create another John Doe. Okay, let's create Doe. So create another user. So we are creating, and you will get, you see in the request body we are receiving Doe and email address. Okay, excuse me. So it is finding user find on based on email. So if user exists, it will give you the error message user already exists. So if user already exists, it will throw an error and it will not go downwards. But if user email is unique, it will go for create the user, and it will save the username. It will this username, this email, this password, and this phone in the database. So it's creating means save. And if user, it will generate token. You see it's generating token. This is the token, JWT token. Okay, so as we are using HTTP only cookie, you see in the generate token, so it's creating HTTP only. This is HTTP only based on the process, the JSON secret, it is getting user ID and it's creating HTTP only cookie. Okay, and this JWT, its name is JWT. So if I name it JWT Shakil, I hope it will make more sense, but it is not good practice. But let's see, I'm creating another user, say Labib. So let's go to the cookie. You see JWT Shakil. So I am getting this cookie. So it's not fair. It's not just to make you understand. I'm using it. Okay, so that makes sense, I hope. And if you understand, so you generate token, and we have used another auth. We will use auth. Oh yeah, we can now create the. So I am saving this. So create new collection. Note. Or I am giving the name based on my folder name. Then it will be easy for us to find out. MERN Typescript React-19 Docker. Okay, MERN Typescript Docker create, and this is for registering user. Registering user. So MERN Typescript, and now create, duplicate it, and this is for login user. Login user. So we need email and password, no need phone, no need name. So no need comma at the end. So not found. Not found. Why? It's not login. Oh yeah, we have no login over here. Let's go to the routes. We need to bring login over here, and it should be login. So it should be login. So we are getting login. Sorry, it is becoming 2. So it's login. So register login. Both. I'm removing. So there is an error. Expect double quote. Everything has all right. It worked, but where is the problem? Let's see. Expect double quote property name JSON at the position light. JSON parse. Oh, we need JSON parse. So come over here. Server. Cookie parser. Maybe we need cookie parser. Let's see. We have the cookie parser over here. No, we have no cookie parser, but we need cookie parser. We need cookie parser. We need cookie parser. And maybe we need type definition. So we have set cookie parser. I think this time it will work. Let's see. We need to restart our server. npm start. So let's try to log in. Yeah, now we can log in and there is no error. And along with the login, we'll get the JWT. Okay, so it is HTTP only. It is highly secure and it is persistent. So is it is persistent or not, I will make you proof or show you in the when we will work in the front end React app. Okay. Now what we need? We need so register login and what are the routes? Register login and let's see. Register logout. We have the logout functionality also over here. You see, we have the login user, logout user. Okay, so go to routes and so it is repeated code. So if you don't understand, let me know. So we have logout. So create a duplicate. Logout user. Okay, logout post and what's the name of the route? Logout. Okay, logout. So logged out successfully. So inside that you will not get any cookie. And we need another route that is profile. Okay, let's create it. See profile. And what's the name of the profile? Get user profile. So get user profile and it will come from controller. Okay, let's see. Use profile. So user profile. So it will be get request. So it will be get request. Let's see. Inside that it will be get request. Okay. So it will be get request, not post. So let's go to the profile. Profile user not found. Profile, let's save. Yeah, we need not body. Profile log, it will user not found, or it's the wrong, it is saying user not found. Okay, let's log in once again. So now come to profile, unauthorized. User not found. From where the error is coming, user not found. Request, if no user. But we have logged in. But why it is saying? So I am logging once again. Come to the profile. Still saying user not found. So we need to figure out where is the problem. Users profile. So is it a users profile? Users profile. It should work. Let's see whether we have the token, previous token. No. Authorization, user controller, login. We are logging out once again. Clear the cookie, logged out successfully. We are logging. Say I am logging, let's see, by different users. Say Shakil. Let's say login. Yeah, get profile. Still it's saying user not found. So we need to figure out where is the problem. Okay, let's see. So basically it was creating problem for one reason, because we need to use protect here. So this is protected routes. We will not allow everybody to visit this route. Okay. So protect will come middleware, and what is in the protect middleware what? So this is protected route. If there is no token, it will not allow you to visit this routes. Okay. So we need to protect this route. Protect. Okay. So if you log in once again, log in, and if you come to your profile, this time it will work. You see, you are getting everything. So if I log out, it will not work. So if you log out, there is no cookie over here. You see, there is no JWT cookie bar token over here. So if you try right now, it will say no authorization token. But if you log in once again, if you now come to profile, it will work. And not only that, if you change the user, say I am changing user, say John. See, right now you're getting Shakil's profile. But if you are login, you will get the profile which user is login, not another user's profile. Okay, so right now Shakil is logging, that's why you are getting Shakil's profile. But if Shakil is logged out and login by John, say John, so it's logging by John. So whose profile will get? You will get John's profile. You see, this is John profile. So if you use do profile, do, excuse me, so you will get do's profile. So come to user, so this is do's profile. So all our everything is working just fine. Okay, all our user routes. So all our user routes are working, and only this route is protected, and protect is coming from auth middleware. And you see, if there is no token, if no token, no authorization, no token, and it will decode not authorized, token failed. Okay, and based on the token, it will find the user. You see, based on the token request user, it will find the user. So everything is working just fine, and I have shown you the middleware. So it will be a wonderful journey. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected, and give me a big thumbs up. So I will get motivation to create more videos to make you and me the JavaScript ninja. So number today, in the next tutorial, we will create another routes, and for them it will be a wonderful journey. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.